Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you unpair your Bluetooth headphone to your earphone. Guys, you have paired guys any Bluetooth headphone, any Bluetooth devices, your phone, and guys you want to unpair. So as you can unpair. So as now let's see how to unpair it. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to unpair it. Then guys you can see your Bluetooth and device settings. So guys tap here. Then guys you can see your Bluetooth settings. So guys again tap here. So you can see guys we have paired this Bluetooth headphone port Rosakar 410 and guys I want to unpair. So guys how will I unpair guys? You can see the setting option. Tap here and guys click on your forget option. And guys before click on forget option guys you want to rename guys your headphone name. So as you can rename from here. Means guys you can change it. But guys I don't want to change, so I will click on this forget option to unpair. Then it will unpair to my phone. Then guys I cannot use it and guys we will off it. Guys you want to use it, so you will have to pair again. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth headphone to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.